Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another quick Dollar Tree haul. So please do stay tuned for all the new goodies. Now they weren't, for some reason, they weren't stocked. They were really nice and orderly, but they didn't have certain products. So that's why you don't see my paper towels and my toilet paper. But I did pass by their cleaning section, not even my dish soap. I don't know what's happening. I think it's a production thing, lateness. But anyway, I did pick up Lime Away, which I do recommend. It has a really thick gel formula. Toilet bowl cleaner. It destroys lime, calcium, and rust. I can't recommend these enough. These really are great for $1.25, 16 fluid ounces, and really gets the job done. And it has a nice, pretty scent. So these are great. I really do recommend y'all picking one up. That is in their cleaning section. In their dental care section, I picked up the Laverius Fresh Breath, freshening breath for over 100 years mouthwash, clinically proven to freshen breath with natural peppermint, top rated, great tasting, long lasting fresh peppermint. 16.9 fluid ounces. I'm going to give this a try, see if it compares, how it compares to Listerine. So we'll see about that. And then I want to say this is really more in their grab and go section, the cashier section. And I picked up one of these before, and I can't recommend these enough. It has a nice little pretty hook too, if you want to kind of keep this hung up, or just throw in your travel case. To my drag queens who I love dearly, or anybody who's just a sewer, and you need a quick needle and thread, you're traveling, I can't recommend these enough. It comes with a assortment of things: needles, thread, little mini scissor, all types of little stuff that you need just in case if something breaks last minute and you're on to something, you're on a competition or whatnot. I can't recommend these enough, and they really do what it's intended to do for $1.25. That's unheard of. So I picked up another one of these, and I do recommend them. Also in their cleaning section, I picked up another steak, essential steak. I think I'm going to use it just for another cleaning purpose intention, but I have used them for a broom. I've used them for a mop, and I use them. I believe it's like a duster kind of wipe that I've bought, and I need to stick, and they're really great. They have this nice screw-in top. It literally screws into nearly everything, and so I needed another one, so I picked up, and it's really good and sturdy for $1.25, y'all. If you go to a hardware store, you're not going to find anything for $1.25. So I do recommend those too. Also in their, I want to say, picture frame floral section, they have this really pretty frame. I couldn't help but grab it. It was so eye-catching and glittery and nice, and I think it makes any moment, even weddings, birthdays, dorm room, light up really pretty. 4x4 photo frame in their floral section, picture frame section. Also in their floral section, I came across a vase filler. These are really pretty if you're having kind of guests and you want to be nice and fancy. I like them because I can hot glue these things to things. So if I'm going to bedazzle anything, you already know where I picked them up. They're about 0.7 ounces per package, and it comes in this nice fluorescent off-white kind of color, and also in your traditional nice glittery bejeweled beautiful diamond kind of color. So I like them, and I picked up two. Also in their floral section, I have made comments about these before, can't help but stress to you guys, these really do come in handy if you're doing cosplay. And I just finished doing kind of a cosplay kind of influenced costume by Wakanda Forever. I will link my last video somewhere in the description box, but these go a long way, y'all. If you are getting something together, it may not even be a costume, but they do come in handy, but they don't come in, they're rare in my branch, my Dollar Tree branch. They come in gold and red, and I picked up two in this nice navy blue because I said these are going to come in handy for something. So I picked up two. In their beauty care section, I can't stress their Be Color nail line, their press-on nail line. I really love these, and the patterns are really pretty. The colors are really pretty. They stand out in this nice gold accent. I can't stress how pretty they are. These are stiletto shape, metallic fashion nails, 12 pieces. Grab them, y'all. These really are worth it. Now, I want to say also in their Craft Your Square section, I picked up this nice little jewelry box that you can paint yourself. Really nice. And it has an actual working latch that will keep it closed. How cute is this? And I picked this up in their like seasonal section, mini carrots at 18 pieces in Craft Your Square section. I'm thinking of doing a wreath, and also this nice floral garland. How cute is this? Very nice for maybe a cosplay or just a garland. So yeah, multiple purposes you can use from the Dollar Tree. If you like what you see, give us a like, leave us a comment down below what really stood out to you guys. Keep me posted, and if you'd like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next haul, DIY, and review. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.